MJ5 and we are flying to Maldives, and this is my first vlog, and as you can see I'm already going to the flight. So guys, I have boarded now and we'll be off to Maldives very soon. So as you all can see guys, I've changed my mask, and yes, we guys are officially heading to Maldives. Hi guys, so the captain's announcement is on and I'm having my burger. गाइस वी आर आउट हियर, हम निकल चुके हैं, बाहर आ चुके हैं मालदीव्स में, एंड वी हैव अनदर फ्लाइट इन 45 मिनट्स. So this is the seaplane we have to travel from to reach Kihaa resort, Kihaa beach, where we are traveling to. In how much time the seaplane will leave?
Seaplane leaves at 12:45.
12:45.
Scheduled time.
Okay, thank you. So we'll leave in another 30 minutes from here.
Still fresh. Almost.
Alright guys, you guys need to subscribe to dennisvlogging.com. That was so cute, bro. So hi guys, I think you know where we are. We are in Maldives.
Well, that sounded good.
You should see this. You should see this. So that was very close, and the weather in Maldives is quite hot and cool at the same time. It's windy but it's hot, and the temperature is somewhere around 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, and we'll be traveling in a seaplane in a while. We are waiting for the boarding to start, and I'll catch you guys soon when we reach the resort.
अरे यार मुझे पॉज करने का यार यहाँ पे धीरे भी हुआ. ये देखो मैं
आगे से बना. Yes, we are inside.
भाई ये रहना चाहिए. एकदम सारे फंसा ही उठना. रेडी guy was what was the plan?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, Maldives.
Kihaa.
cheers करना है.
Cheers.
मैं तो वीडियो ही बना रहा हूँ. और क्या हो सीरियस सेल्फी. आजा ना.
So we just entered the yacht.
जान
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you all. Hello. Hi. Hello. Thank you.
ये वाली जगह जहाँ पे करनी है।
Right now we are heading to the Kihaa resort, which is on Kihaa beach, and we have landed from the seaplane. As you can see, there's plenty of water around me. White.
Amazing.
Thank you. Baby.
अरे तो शॉट बन सकता था।
Thank you. What is this? It's a small coconut.
coconut.
Dun, dun, dun. I have never seen this water before.
वो खेल लेंगे जैसे टैबू खेल रहे थे चेंज करके वो नए वर्ड बनाओ संगीव
So guys, here I am in my room. We have finally settled down in our rooms and now we'll be resting for a while. And meanwhile, you guys should check out our suit. Hi guys, hello. I'm Dennis and today we are in Maldives. Yesterday we came here and I want to show you how this place looks. So guys, I hope you like this place and you'll get a chance. If you get a chance, I hope you all will surely come and visit this place. And I'll be back with another video and vlog soon. So till then, I'm gonna have some fun and enjoy this place. These are amazing huts out here, and I can't wait to get into the pool. I'm dying to go into the pool, but it's very hot right now, so and quite sunny as well. So I'll just wait for the evening to come and we'll go into the water. Yes, and also I don't want to get tanned. Guys, welcome back to my vlog, and we are done with some cool video making things, and now I want to show you where my friends and my crewmates are chilling. I think they are playing pool, and let's see where they are. So guys, it's day 3 today, and we are done with the lunch, and now we have got some time to rest, and we'll be shooting again in some time. And yes, today we did a lot of choreography, we did a lot of dancing, and yes, we also had some fun in the beach. Hi guys, so I'm back with my vlog, and today is my 3rd day here in Maldives Kihaa resort. carefully.